Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. This time we're looking at the Divoom Pixoo-64 Digital Frame and 3 things that it can do for you. If you do some investing or know someone who does, you can get this for them, and this is just one of the sample faces on it. Yes, it's got a clock on it, like comes on kind of as a free ride, but you see the various stock symbols, and that's all configurable. This is what it defaults with out of the box. So I mean, you're already up and running at this point. Thing number 2, now if you're big into social media, this is my main YouTube channel, so you can see it's got the time. Now it doesn't do AM or PM, so if you want it to be able to distinguish between those 2 ranges, you'll have to turn on 24-hour time. So instead of being 1:41 in the afternoon, you would see this 13:41. So that's an option. But this periodically goes out and updates it, so you can see the view count, you can see the subscriber count. And this, I mean, there are other social media options. You know, there are also some, you know, just straight clocks. If you're big into Bitcoin, well, you know, you can periodically watch that too. It's not going to be up to the minute. It doesn't poll frequently. It does have its own built-in Wi-Fi, so what you'll do as part of the initial process is get that onto your wireless, so it will be able to go out and get its own updates. Now, if you'd like a highly customizable weather screen, so the weather's changing a fair amount, then this is something that you can do to go along the way. And all this is done from your smartphone. And you can see I've got several days coming up here in the next 4 days. Well, 5 days. It shows you 5 days. So that's, you know, it's really anything more than past about 48 hours is kind of pushing it. And that comes from someone I've met in the National Weather Service. This at least gives you kind of a running idea. It will go out and update. Unfortunately, it doesn't really tell you in the manual how often, but I think it will be accurate enough for you to know what's going on. So give this a try. You can put this on a tripod so you can move it around with you. You can wall mount it. You can even run it off a battery bank, which is what I'm doing right now. So this is a very flexible item. Take a look at it, and I think you may decide you got to have one today. So, like I said, give it a look, and you'll see what it's capable of.